Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to crochet this simple and cute wristlet keychain. Insert the yarn into the ring. The height of the yarn is 150 centimeters, and I'll leave it in the left. The number of the hook is 6 millimeters. I'll yarn over by the left yarn and make one chain. Again, I'll yarn over by the left yarn. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Pull through 2 loops by the right yarn. I'll yarn over by the left yarn and make one chain. The height is 38 centimeters. Now we will insert through the ring and pull 2 yarns together and make slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Now we'll wrap the yarn over the keychain that we made. Cut the yarn. Insert the yarn through this loop and pull the other yarn up until hide under the yarn and cut the yarn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, share and subscribe to get all new videos.